Welcome to my chefing. My name is Chef Fran, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you're returning back, thank you for coming back. But first, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button so you can have fresh new content from me every single week.
Look at this delicious stuffed bagel, stuffed in here with cream cheese and Nova, or lox, but Norwegian Nova, and topped off with our butter and garlic and parsley and some everything seasoning bagel. It smells good, it looks good. Let's do it together so we can eat it together.
So I have our Nova, our lox, and I'm just gonna fine chop it, dice it down, and add it to our veggie cream cheese here. And we're gonna add it in a piping bag and we're gonna stuff our bagel. Now this is basically thin cuts of like smoked salmon. I'm gonna put it in here and we're gonna mix it. Now it's a little bit salty. Usually things that are smoked are a little bit salty. Just mix this here. This is, again, some veggie cream cheese. You can use whichever brand you like. I just got the Walmart brand, but Philadelphia has one. Or you can totally make it yourself, chop all your little vegetables yourself and get the cream cheese. Okay, and we're gonna put it in our piping bag. This is my piping bag. I just have the right tip, so I'm just using a plastic bag, and you can do the same, or you can get yourself a piping bag. And I'm just gonna use the edge of this to just kind of smooth down. Have it come into my piping bag. Gonna take a little work here because it is a little thicker, but it will come out. Here we go. And this is our butter, garlic, and parsley. So here we go. Just stuff it here. Takes a little bit of arm muscle to kind of, since my tip I guess is a little too small because it's thick, but we got it. The key is to try not to go all the way down when you're cutting. And if you don't have a piping tip, you could still do this. Use a plastic bag, make your hole. That'll work just as well. Vitamins: Nova cream cheese, bagels, B-complex vitamins, vegetable cream cheese, A, D, and calcium, garlic, B6, C, manganese and selenium, butter, A, B12, D, E, and K2, Nova, B, D, and selenium, everything bagel seasoning, A, C, D, calcium, iron, and potassium. We're gonna take what's left of our butter and garlic, just kind of dunk it here, and then you do the bottom as well, submerge it in that. And I'm just gonna take the rest of the garlic that's here and add some everything bagel seasoning on this, and that's that. And here are a list of ingredients. So our Nova and veggie cream cheese with the garlic butter and everything bagel seasoning I added to it, it's gonna go in for 350 for 5 minutes on bake mode in my air fryer. 45 million children are dangerously malnourished. So here's our Nova and cream cheese, veggie cream cheese, stuffed bagel. And our resident taste tester Gio is going to try it. Look how awesome this looks. All nice and stuffed. And you break a piece. That's why you have it cut. Have you ever had Nova before?
Yeah, I've had it a few times, but back then I wasn't really a fan of it. So, but it smells good now. So we'll have to see if this changes my mind.
Okay. Now bear in mind, Nova is salty because of the smokiness.
Overall, I would say it changed my mind for this dish at least, because with the crunchiness from the bagel and the everything bagel seasoning, and the flavors from the garlic and the cream cheese and the saltiness and smokiness from the Nova, it all comes together real nice to just make a nice bagel meal.
Okay, let me taste it. Gio's so right. You know, it has that saltiness, but it has that nice creaminess from the cream cheese and the little veggies that's in the cream cheese and the nice crunch that you get from the butter being topped on the bagel itself and that nice garlic on the top of it. It's a nice marriage combination. Definitely give this a try. It may not be ingredients that you have at home, but if you want to try something different and unique, this is our twist on the viral stuffed bagel. Let me know how it turned out for you in the comments. Remember to check Gio and I in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself and God bless you. Mwah.